Hello and welcome to today's update on the global financial markets. In this video, we'll explore the recent rise in gold prices, why it's happening, and what this could mean for the future. Let's dive in. On January 6th, 2025, gold prices rose as investors braced for key US economic data. Spot gold gained traction, reflecting the market's cautious optimism. US gold futures, however, dipped slightly by 0.2%, signaling mixed sentiments in the market. This week, all eyes are on critical US economic reports, including December's non-farm payroll numbers. These reports will likely provide a clearer picture of employment rates, consumer spending, and manufacturing output, all of which influence the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates. Now, why is gold making headlines? Gold thrives in uncertain times. It's seen as a safe haven asset, especially when there's economic ambiguity or inflation concerns. Historically, when interest rates are low or markets anticipate a slowdown in rate hikes, gold prices tend to rise. And that's exactly what we're witnessing now. With inflation still a concern, the Federal Reserve has signaled caution. In 2024, we saw 3 rate cuts, but projections for 2025 indicate only 2 more reductions. This more conservative approach is keeping markets on edge and fueling demand for gold. So what's next? Analysts suggest that the upcoming economic data releases will play a pivotal role in determining the Fed's next steps. If the data indicates weaker job growth or lower consumer spending, it could pressure the Fed to rethink its monetary policy. In such a scenario, we could see the US dollar weaken, which often boosts gold prices. However, if the data comes in stronger than expected, gold's rise could be limited as interest rate cuts may be postponed. To sum it up, gold's recent gains highlight the cautious sentiment in global markets. As we await the US jobs report and other economic indicators, it's clear that gold will remain in the spotlight as investors navigate these uncertain times. What are your thoughts on gold's future? Will it continue its upward trend or will it face resistance? Share your predictions in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the financial markets. Thanks for watching.